In this tutorial, I'm going to do a walkthrough and show you how easy it is to set up professional style boxes using WP Optin boxes. So right now, as you can see, I don't have anything set up. This is a brand new installation. So once you've installed the plugin, you can either add a brand new box by clicking on add new box there, or there, or there. So the first step is to name your box. You can always edit this later on. And you'll notice that we have a number of options here. For this demonstration, I'm just going to set up an email opt-in box. So I'm going to click here, and then I can select from a number of pre-formatted professional templates. So any of these. So let me just show you a couple. So all of these are built into the plugin straight out of the box. Okay, so let's just choose this one just to demonstrate this process. So save and next. And then we go on to step 2. So in step 2, you can customize the text, the graphics, anything you like, and you can also install your autoresponder code. So Optin form settings, click here. As you can see, I have not actually integrated any autoresponder code at the moment, so it's prompting me to do that now, so I can just click there and then choose from any of the autoresponders here. Now you can see that all of the leading autoresponder companies are integrated here. I'll just scroll down so you can see that. And of course, you can also add the actual HTML code down here. Linking up your autoresponder is really simple. It's just a couple of clicks. So whichever one you're using for this purpose or for this demonstration, I'm going to use Aweber. So you just click on integrate, and then you need to put your Aweber authorization code in there. And to find that, I'm just going to click there and then click allow access, and then I'll just pick up this code here and then paste that in there like so, and then connect to Aweber. So once you've installed your autoresponder, and I should point out at this point that you can actually install more than one autoresponder if you want to. In my case, I've installed 2, so I've actually got Aweber and GetResponse on here, and I'm going to use this list here. You can actually customize the whole template to whichever extent you want to go to. So we're going to keep it simple in this demonstration, but you can see here that it gives you the option to change the size, color of the text, the input text here. We can even get rid of it if we wanted to. We can change the text inside of the input fields and the alignment, and then we're just going to go over to headings now. So here we can change this text, and that gives you the option to change the font if you want to, and obviously the size and the color. Content settings, this is for this section here, so you can change all of that, and again you can change the font and the color and the size and pretty much anything you like. Button settings, same again, you can change the whole lot. Image, so this one comes pre-formatted, but if you want to get rid of that image and put your own in there, you can do so. So it's just a case really of uploading your image here, and then it will pop up in there. Box container settings, this is the actual box itself, so you can change that box if you really wanted to. So if you want to put a background color in there to match your site, for example, then you can do so by clicking here, and as you can see, you can change that as easy as that. And if you really want to, then obviously the CSS is down here, so if you want to mess about with the CSS to any extent, then you can do so. So as you can see, each and every one of the templates can be customized to suit your particular needs, and it's all very easy to do. So once you've edited your box, as I've done here, you can see I've made a few changes. Simply up here, click save and next. Now step 3 is pretty much self-explanatory, but I'll just quickly go through it with you. You can see here you can use flash effects, so you can fade in and you can determine how quick it's going to fade in and fade out again. Make sticky, slide in from side, so you can choose from left or right and the speed of it. And then down here, optional opt-in form settings, so you can set these up so your subscribers will see these after they've entered their details and click submit. And then once you've decided what options you're going to use, for this option I'm going to use enable flash effect, so it should fade in 2 seconds, and then click update. And now this box will determine which posts, or whether you're going to use it site-wide, or which post you're going to put this particular code on. So I'm going to choose a particular page like so, and then I'm just going to swipe that shortcode there and publish. So once you have the shortcode, you can paste it into any page, any post that you like. I'm doing it this way really because this particular site is a multi-niche, so using the shortcode allows me to drop that code and that box onto any specific page that I like. So I'm just going to pop that in there, update, and this particular post should pop up inside the actual content. Now there's lots of other options which I'll go over in just a second. I'm just going to show you this now. So if I scroll down here, you can see this just popped up within the content there, and it's just got the fade in and out. Now in the pro version of WP Optin boxes, we don't actually have to mess about with putting shortcode in there. What we can do, I'll just cut that one, is scroll right to the bottom and you'll find the select conversion box. So all I have to do here is choose which one I'd like to use. In my case it's test. Click there and then save. And then if I take a look at the post now, you'll find that it's inserted the box right at the bottom of the post. Now this also tracks conversions. Now we can check all the stats here in the WP Optin boxes dash. You can see the basics there, and then if we click here we can look at detailed stats right here. Okay, so with the pro version you have the complete stats at your fingertips. We can also make our boxes sticky once they've been scrolled past. So in this case here, if I scroll down here, you can see the boxes pop there, and then it just sticks to the top. Now obviously because I'm admin here, it's hiding some of that, but if you were a visitor then you would see the whole box up there and it'll just stay there. Now of course what I've just shown you so far is quite basic stuff. It pops the box into the content, which is great for some posts, and some people will love that feature. But if you prefer something that pops up and is far more dynamic, then we'll choose the smart pop-up box here. So same as last time, on to step 2, put your details in there. If you're just changing a box as I'm doing here, then your settings will stay as they are, and you can see mine are here. Save. And then in step 3 we have additional settings which we can use. So we can choose to have a triggered pop-up, and then we can set the seconds there, or we can have an exit pop there like so, or a triggered scroll pop-up. And what that means is it'll pop up when it gets to the percentage that you set right here. So let me just show you those options quickly. So a triggered pop-up, let's have it 11 seconds and save. And now what will happen is the box will pop up and it will black out the rest of the screen like so. Here we can have the box set to trigger on scroll. So if I start scrolling now, you can see that the box pops up. Now you can set any percentage of the page, so I've only just set 1% here, so you can see it pops straight up, but you can set that to any percentage that you like. So two-step opt-in, if we choose this one in templates, save that one, and you can see that we've got the very same box that we've set up already, but it's got the animated 50% complete bar above the box. Come into step 3, click update there, and then here we can decide on the button. So opt-in style, let's pick a blue flat button like so, and we'll just leave click here as the text for now, and then we'll copy that shortcode there like so, and then if I paste that code in there and update, and now when we click this button here, then the box will pop up, we'll get the animated bar there, 50% complete bar, and the box. So let's take a look at some of the other options. Now we've covered the two-step, we've covered the smart box and the email opt-in. Now all of these come with a ton of different pre-formatted templates. Let's take a look at a few now. Now you can use video opt-in boxes, video call to action, animated call to action, pretty much any combination that you want. Let's take a look at a few here. And all these come with the plugin straight out of the box. And even if none of the actual templates fit your particular project, remember you can customize them all with just a couple of clicks. There are an absolute ton of different features that are included in WP Optin boxes, many that I've probably forgot to mention. One that I will mention while I'm making this video is our A/B split testing feature. Now if you click here and just click there, then you can produce an additional box, and that way you can split test to see which box works best for your project.